You are. And when God bless you, no guy nor no girl can test you. Walking away tonight, a brand new minted millionaire, courtesy of CB Foods. $100,000, courtesy of Jamaica national money, and 1 year supply of bread from national. I always say national bread. We are talking about the bread when you bite it, it's stuck up in your mouth top. The way oil fresh and nice. The bread when you dip it in the gravy, you can't stop dip it. When you make your porridge, just broke up the bread in the night and the porridge nice. That kind of national bread. She is a young lady who has been very diligent, worked very hard. She seemed to have found the sauce as well. And I hear that she's also an awesome individual. Whether you take breast and wing or leg and thigh, you gotta go to St. Thomas to find her. I don't know if she has a farm, but I do know that she has a first place in this competition tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, give a resounding round of applause to the first place winner from St. Thomas, Totlin McDonald, number 29. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows that Totlin champion, 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 champion. Ladies, oh my God, I'm so proud of you. Make some noise. Totlin, I know these are tears of joy. Me know when you work hard and stand up in the Gideon, and when you're back against the wall and you have to brace, and you have to take it to the Lord in prayer, and you've come out on top. I know those tears. How are you feeling at this moment, walking away as the first place winner, the 2024 CB Pan champion? How are you feeling?
Happy.
It's a new song that Totlin making a happy. How are you feeling? Happy. What motivated you to enter CB Pan Championship?
Mostly my family and friends always encourage me. You can cook me and you must enter. And I went and I give that time so.
Oh my God. Wow. This is Totlin Cuts. Where in St. Thomas can we find you to support you?
In Little St. Thomas.
Who would you like to thank for helping you along your journey?
All the persons that come with me, especially my sister. She's behind me everywhere.
Where's your sister? What's her name?
Melissa.
Melissa McDonald, please come up here. Melissa, where are you? Melissa, where are you? Oh, where the Melissa? Melissa, jump and come. Security, let her over. Big up the siblings, them. We love them siblings. We love them sister, love them brother. Big up all of the siblings. Run come, Melissa, run come. Run come in this, Melissa, run come. Yes. Your celebrators, boy. Careful, careful. Run, come up your sister. Up your sister. And this we love. Boy. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows that Melissa is a champion. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Melissa said, boy, I'm not foot tired. I'm not foot tired, boy. How are you feeling, Melissa?
So happy.
Melissa, a lot of people will see the finished product, but what kind of work goes into getting to first place?
Enough what we put into it.
What would you like to say to your sister?
My sister. Feeling my body. Then me did it.
We love that. Sibling, love that. Congratulations, Tatlin. You are the #1. You are the band champion for 2024. Melissa and the entire crew, the trophy heads to St. Thomas.
Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows say bravo. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows this game is a champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows say bravo. Champion, we know.
Everybody make some noise for the winner, the man, Tatlin from St. Thomas.
You see, they don't like when you